Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, inshallah, we will learn the lesson number 16 of the Durusul Lughadul Arabiya, Book 2. In this lesson, we will learn the isnad of the verb yuridu. Yuridu means he wants. It's isnad with all pronouns. Here you can see yuridu has dhamma. Turidu has dhamma. And uridu has dhamma. Nuridu also have dhamma. In the last lessons, we learned that the harful mudare, it has fatha. Alif, hamza, ya, ta, and noon. They have fatha. Azhabu, azhabu, I am going. So it take the fatha. Nazhabu, we are going, it take the fatha. But when we learn with the yuridu, it take the dhamma. We will learn why it take the dhamma. Maza turidu ya Bilalu? What do you want, Bilal? Uridu ma'an, I want water. I want water. So here turidu and uridu, it is taking dhamma. Maza turiduna ya ikhwanu? Turiduna is plural. Second person plural. What do you want, brothers? So here it also takes the dhamma. Nuridu aqlaman, we want pen. This nuridu also taking the dhamma. So all the harful mudare, ta, alif, noon, and ya, they take the dhamma. Nuridu aqlaman, we want some pens. Maza turidina ya Laila, what do you want, Laila? So for the feminine, it is also taking dhamma. So these are the isnad. These are the isnad of the uridu. Turidina, nuridu, turiduna, and uridu, turidu, these are all asnad with the pronouns. Note that the initial letter denoting mudare, these are the harful mudare. Ya, ta, alif, and noon. These are harful mudare. So it has dhamma. Note that the initial letters denoting the mudare have dhamma. This happens when the verb has 4 letters. When the verb has 4 letters in the fi'l madi. If the verb has 4 letters in the fi'l madi, then in fi'l mudare it will take the dhamma. in the fi'l Madi if the verb has 4 letters, 4 radicals. Then in the fi'l Mudare, harful Mudare will take the Dhamma. And we will learn more about this in the book 3, inshallah. Note, Madi of the verb is Arada. This is 4 letters. Arada in fi'l Madi. Arada means he wanted. So he wanted is a fi'l Madi. You can see here, here are 4 letters, 4 verbs, 4 radicals of the verb. And I want is aratu. This is fi'l Madi and it's asnad. Aratu, I want it. And you want it is aradta. Aradta, you want it. So this verb has 4 radicals in the fi'l Madi. So this kind of the verb who have 4 radicals or 4 letters in the fi'l Madi, when we will change them into fi'l Mudare, then the harful Mudare will take the Dhamma. Harful Mudare will take the Dhamma. Any of you have any question here? Okay, we continue the next. Now we will learn about the Ma'anna, about the uses of Ma. Uses of Ma. Ma has many kinds. First is Ma Nafia. Ma an-Nafia. Negative Ma. We call it negative Ma. Ma indi kalamun. Ma akaltu shay'an. Ma nasma'ul akhbara. So this is Ma an-Nafia. Used for negation in nominal as well as verbal sentence. So we can use it to the nominal sentence and we can use into the verbal sentence also. And it gives the meaning of the negative. Ma nasma'ul akhbara. And Ma al-Istifhāmiya. There is also Ma al-Istifhāmiya. Ma
Sir,
interrogative.
can I ask,
Yes.
why cannot use la, sir?
La you can use for in film Madi as a habit. And Ma, if we use Ma, then it is for the present. I don't eat, mean I am not eating now. If you say la akala, so it means I don't eat. You can say la ashrabul kahwa, I don't drink the coffee. When you use la, I don't drink the coffee, it means you are habitual to not drink the coffee. You never take the coffee. When we use the la ashrabul kahwata, it is giving the meaning that you never take the coffee. When we use ma ashrabul kahwata, it means you are not taking coffee now. So this is a difference of ma and la we have learned in the last lesson. So is it clear? Still have a question?
Yes, it's clear. Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. So this is ma al-istifthamiyya. Interrogative ma. Ma haza, masmuka, ma za turidu. We use it when we ask a question to someone. There is relative ma. There is relative ma al-mousula. So it gives the meaning of it is from the ismul mosul also. Ashrabu ma tashrabina. So it means what? Ashrabu, I am drinking. Ma tashrabina, what you are drinking. Or I will drink what you will drink. I am drinking what you are drinking, or I will drink what you will drink. Isma'i ma aqulu laki. Sa ashtari ma za turidu. So it gives the meaning of ma. Sa
Sir,
ashtari.
without using atau huwa, sir, in between. No
Sorry?
need, eh? No need to use wa in between. Ashrabu wa ma tashrabina. No need, eh?
No need to use. Okay. So it is as a relative noun. So ma has three kinds. There are other uses of ma which we will describe later. Ma still have many kinds, so we will learn it later. And these are the examples of ma nafia. Qala ma azunnu. Ma, this is negating ma. It means I don't. And here also wama huwa biqawli shaitanin rajimin. This ma is also negating ma, not. Ma al-istifthamiyya. Ma salakakum fi saqara. So this ma is ma al-istifthamiyya. This ma mean what? What has brought you into hellfire? And this is ma al-mousula. Amilat nafsun ma ahdarat. A soul will know what it has brought. So this what is, sorry, this one. O you who have believed, why don't you say what you do? And these are both, these both are ma al-masula. Ma ahdarat, ma al-masula, ma la taf'aluna is ma al-masula. In the lesson, we will learn with more detail. You have this book, you can see in detail in the book. Okay. We have learned the interrogative ma and the negative ma. Masmuka, what is your name? Ma fahim tu darsa. I did not understand the lesson. So these are interrogate masmuka. This is interrogative. What is your name? Ma fahim tu darsa. I did not understand the lesson. So this is negative ma. Another kind of ma is relative ma. Another kind of ma is relative ma. Just now we have learned, which means what or that which. Nasitu maqul tali. I forgot what you told me. I forgot what you told me. Nasitu, I forgot. Ma kultali, what you told me. Kultali, you told me. I forgot what you told me. So this ma is ma al-masula. It is relative ma. Ashrabu ma tashrabu. I will drink what you drink. Ashrabu, I will drink. Ma tashrabu, what you will drink. So this ma is ma al-masula. Okay. La abudu ma ta'budun. So this ma is used in the Surah Kafirun. You can notice there. La abudu, I don't worship. Ma ta'buduna, what you worship. In Arabic, this is called ma al-masulatu. Ma al-masulatu. We have learned about the zoo in the first or second lesson. In this book, we have learned about the zoo. When zoo is mansoob, it becomes za. When zoo is mansoob, it becomes za. When it is marfu, it is zoo. In a nominative case, it is zoo. Fi faslina talibun zu shahrin tawilin. So here zoo is marfu in nominative case. Fi faslina talibun zu shahrin tawilin. In our class, there is a student with long hairs. In our class, there is a student with long hairs. Then next is Ra'aytu taliban za shahrin tawilin. Because of the Ra'aytu, it become mansoob here. Ra'aytu taliban za shahrin tawilin. I saw a student with long hair. So zu, when it is mansoob, it becomes za. Uridu mushafan za harfin kabirin. So this is mansoob. Mushafan za harfin kabirin. I want a copy of the Quran with the large letters. Harfin kabirin. So za harfin is mudaf and mudaf ilay. Za is mudaf and harfin is mudaf ilay. And harfin kabirin is naat and manut. Harfin kabirin is naat and manut. And za harfin is mudaf and mudaf ilay. Because we have learned that zu is mulaf and the noun come after the zu is mudaf ilay. Next is the pronouns, proper nouns on the pattern of fu'alu. The proper nouns on the pattern of fu'alu are mamnu min as-sarf. They are diptot. They are mamnu min as-sarf. In the book 1, we have learned about the mamnu min as-sarf. The noun, the pronouns, the proper nouns. The proper nouns on the pattern of alu are mamnu min as-sarf. So mamnu min as-sarf, they don't take the tanween and they don't take the kasra. When they are majroor, they take fatha. Zuhalu, zufaru, ubalu. So these are the proper nouns and they don't take the tanween, they don't take the kasra. Hubalu is the name of a pre-Islamic idol. Hubalu is a proper noun and it is the name of the pre-Islamic idol. It was the name of the idol. Zuhalu means Saturn, and Zufaru is a proper noun. This pattern of proper names is called ma'dulun. We call them ma'dulun. So just we have to keep in mind the nouns, proper nouns at the pattern of the walu, they are mamnu min as-sarf. So first letter is dhamma, second letter is fatha, and the third letter is also dhamma. Faraja Umaru. Umaru is proper noun. Umaru is proper noun. And it is on the pattern of Fualu. Faraja Umaru. Umaru went out. So when it is in a nominative case, Umaru, it takes the Dhamma. Kharaja Umaru, if Umar went out, it is in nominative case. Marfu. Sa'altu Umara. So when it is mansub, it take the Dhamma. Fatha, sorry. Sa'altu Umara. Umara is taking the Fatha because it is mansub. I asked Umar. Katabtu ila Umara. Ila Umara, it is taking here Fatha also. Don't take the kasra when it is majroor. I wrote to Umar. Katabtu ila Umara. Ila is preposition and Umara, it should be a majroor. So it is majroor with the fatha, not with the kasra. It is not taking the kasra. Then we have learned in book 1 some words denoting colors. Ahmaru, Aswadu, Abyadu, and Asfaru. We have learned in the first book. This is the masculine singular form. Ahmaru, Aswadu, Abyadu, Asfaru. They are the masculine singular form. Feminine. Now we will learn the feminine singular form. Its feminine singular form is on the pattern of fa'la'u. It is on the pattern of fa'la'u. Abyadu. Abyadu is masculine singular. And its feminine is bayda'u. Aswadu, sauda'u. Ahmaru, hamra'u. So same with the other colors, we can make their feminine. So what we are doing here? The first letter we are omitting. The first letter Hamza, we omit. Then after this, it become the ba, we take the we give it fatha. And the second letter is sukoon. And the last letter we give it fatha. And after that we use hamza and alif. So like this we can make them from masculine to feminine, feminine singular. On the pattern of fa'la'u. They are on the pattern of fa'la'u. Both the masculine and feminine. Both the masculine and the feminine forms, they are mamnu min as-sarf. They don't take the tanween and they don't take the kasra. Here are some examples of the feminine form. Sha'ru ra'asi aswadu. Sha'ru ra'asi aswadu. The hairs of my head is black. Please switch off your mic. Sha'ru ra'asi aswadu. The hairs of my head is black. So aswadu is masculine, feminine. Walihiyati bayda'u, and my beard is white. Lihatun is a feminine. Lihatin is feminine, so we will use its feminine form bayda'u. Sha'ru ra'asi aswadu, the hairs of my head is black, and my beard is white. Walihiyati bayda'u, and my beard is white. Hazihi shajaratu khadra'u. This tree is green. So khadra'u is feminine form. As-sama'u zarqa'u. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. So these are feminine singular forms. There is only one plural of for both masculine and the feminine form. So there is only one plural for both masculine and the feminine forms. It is on the pattern of Folun. It is on the pattern of Folun. Al-hunudul humru. Al-hunudul humru. Al-hunud mean the Indians. Al-hunud, the Indians. Al-humru, red. Al-humru is on the pattern of Folun. It is not taking a tanween because there is alif lam. Because of the alif lam, it is al-humru. And if it is nakira, then it will be humrun. If it is nakira, it will be humrun. Here it is definite, it is marfa. That's why it cannot take a tanween because alif, lam and tanween cannot be together at the same noun at the same time. Al-hunudul ahmaru. So ahmaru, sorry, humru. Humru is the plural of ahmaru. Man haula irja lusudu. Wa ulaikan nisa usumru. Because they all have alif lam. They all have alif lam. That's why they are not taking the tanween. If they are the nakira, then they will take the tanween. Su'udun, sumrun. So it will be like this.
Sir, because
Yes.
both have alif lam is naat and manut, correct?
Yes, they are not and manut. Man haula irrijalus udu. Who are these black men? Who are these black men? So ar-rijalus udu, they are not and manut. And they are muzakkar. They are muzakkar. Wa ulaika nisa us-sumru. An-nisa us-sumru. So here you can see the plural of the feminine and this feminine and the masculine, they are on the same pattern. An-nisa us-sumru. And those brown women, sumru is brown. Who are these black men and those brown women? The proper noun amrun. The proper noun amrun is written with a vowel which is not pronounced. We have added an extra vowel with the proper noun of amrun. Why we did this? This vowel we don't pronounce. This is done to differentiate it from the umaru. Amrun and umaru, they look similar. So that's why we added an extra vowel in the amrun. This is done to differentiate it from the umaru. The vowel is, however, omitted when it is mansub. So this amrun, its vowel will be omitted when it is mansub. So when it is mansub, we will not write the vowel, because in this case, their spellings are different. So when it is mansub, this vowel will change into the alif. Sa'altu amran. Sa'altu amran. So this amran is mansub here. So when amrun in nominative case, marfu, it will be amrun. In marfu, it will be amrun with waw and extra waw. And when it is mansub, it will be amran. It will take alif. Sa'altu amran, I ask the amr. Amran is written with the alif. And Umar, sa'altu umara. And when we ask to the Umar, then Umar will take the fatta. Because they are the similar noun, so we want to differentiate, we want to create a difference between the Amrun and Umaru. That's why we use an extra vowel, and in nominative case, we use an extra alif. Okay. Sa'altu Umara is written without it because it is mamnu min as-sarf. And therefore has no tanween. Therefore has no tanween because it is mamnu min as-sarf. Umaru is mamnu min as-sarf, so it has no tanween.
Sir, can I answer?
Yes.
Okay. There is a Malay name, Amir. Amir is not Amar lah, it's Amir. So Amir, if his Malay name, is it Mamnu min as-sarf?
Amir. I don't think.
Ain Mim.
I will check. I will check it. I also don't know.
Excuse me, sir. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sir, Umar and Amar different names.
Yes.
Are same names because of fatha. They are different names, sir. Amar different is and Umar is different name.
Yes. Amrun is different. Amrun is not mamnu min
Okay.
as-sarf. Amrun,
Okay.
Amrun is not
Ji.
mamnu min as-sarf. Umaru is
Okay.
mamnu min as-sarf.
Okay. Jazakallah.
So they are the different. It is not Amru. It is Amrun.
So, sir, Amrun can also take the Majroor state.
Sorry?
So it can also take the Majroor state.
Yes. When it is majroor, then it will.
Amrin.
Yes. It will.
Okay, sir.
It will take the ya. In
Sir,
the
for example, like the famous Egyptian